Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my cozy winter nighttime routine. So I am just starting by turning on all the fairy lights once it gets dark, which has been earlier these days. Gonna turn on the outside lights, the Christmas tree, the mantle lights, the fireplace, and the salt lamp, and then I'm just going to make the apartment super cozy by lighting all the candles and diffusing all the oils. This is the Yankee Candle Christmas Eve candle. I think this is my favorite candle of all time. It smells so good. And yeah, I just love all the pretty festive lights around this time of year, and I'm turning on all the lamps, and I'm gonna get some oils diffusing. On this day that I filmed it, I just got some oils in the mail, and I replenished my grapefruit oil, which I was out of for like 2 weeks, and it's one of my favorite oils, so I celebrated by diffusing it in every room in the house. So there's my grapefruit oil, and it smells really nice with that Christmas Eve candle. So I was just getting that going in all of the diffusers. I decided I wanted the diffuser on purple for relaxation, but then I am making my way to the bedroom to get that all ready. I'm turning on the lamps and I'm plugging in the fairy lights around my bed frame, but I had a little mishap and they fell down, but that's just another day. So I'm going to put those back up very carefully, which is always such a process when it's just one of us, but hey, you know what, we're keeping it real around here. But then after that, it's all nice and cozy, and I'm going to shut the blinds. I always do this when it's dark because you don't want people to see you naked. So I'm shutting the blinds, opening the windows, getting some fresh air in. I lit some candles, and then I'm going to diffuse this dream catcher oil that I bought. I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet. It's a huge blend of a bunch of different things. I was hoping it would smell more like jasmine, but it doesn't, so I'm trying to figure out how I feel about that. But it's supposed to be amazing for sleep support, so putting that in my diffuser, putting it on 4 hours and letting it pump. And then after that, the bedroom's all nice and cozy, and it's time to move on to dinner. So Bradley was at work this evening, so I was on my own. So I made some chicken and mushrooms. So I'm just starting by de-stemming my mushrooms. I don't know if you eat the stems of your mushrooms, but I never do. So taking out the stems, and then I'm just going to chop them up. And I always cut my mushrooms before I cut the chicken, just so I don't have to clean the cutting board several times, because I'm lazy. And maybe I'm just efficient. I'm just smart. I don't know. So I'm chopping up my mushrooms. I also like to use some lime juice when I cook it, so I'm chopping that up, and then I am cutting up my chicken into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm just going to take it to, oh no, I'm going to season it first. I'm going to put pepper on it, and then I think this is the Mrs. Dash onion and something. It's the purple top. It's my favorite one. Then I'm just going to cook that on up, and with that, I'm going to have half of this package of the Trader Joe's butternut squash mac and cheese. I love this stuff. It's hard to get your hands on this time of year because it goes so fast, so when I see it, I buy like 6 boxes. But yeah, there's my dinner. I topped it all with parsley because that's my favorite, and it was so good. Then after dinner, I'm going to do a bit of a tidy up. I'm of course cleaning the kitchen, doing the dishes, putting whatever I can in the dishwasher, and then hand washing and hand drying the rest. I am hand washing and drying my copper pots right now. Well, I probably always will, just so they last forever. But yeah, I'm just going to do that, clean the counters, and then I am moving on to tidy up this table. One of our New Year's resolutions is to not use this table as a junk table anymore, so it's becoming more of a regular thing to clean it up, get rid of trash, and then I am cleaning it with Windex because I made a mess while I ate dinner. Then it's time to start the getting unready process, so I am just moving to the bathroom and starting by lighting a candle and turning on the fairy lights to set the mood, and then I'm going to run myself a bath. I typically like to do this in the winter just because it's cold, and I can. I am using my Lush Candy Cane reusable bubble bar. I don't love to use them as the reusable ones, so I just break off a chunk and run that under the faucet, and it makes really nice bubbles. Then it is time to start my skincare, but I am going to take out my earrings first and any jewelry I don't want to sleep in. If I'm wearing makeup, I go in with this Kate Somerville cold cream to melt off the makeup, but I wasn't wearing makeup this day, but I just wanted to show it to you. So I'm going in with my simple moisturizing facial wash. You guys know I love this stuff. I use it on its own. I use it to take off makeup. I'll use it with my Clarisonic. I use it in the morning and at night. It's my absolute favorite. So I'm just going to give my skin a good cleanse with that, with some warm water. Then I'm just going to rinse that away. And while my face is still wet, I'm going to go in with my Proactive Renewing Cleanser. This is the only item from the Proactive line that I still use, and I love it. It's a really nice exfoliant, but just helps my skin stay clear, so I'm using that. And then once all that is rinsed off, I'm going to towel dry my face and prep it for a mask before I get in the bath. I like to wear a mask usually in the bathtub and multitask. So I'm going in with this Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. It smells really good and it's a really nice texture and it's a pretty hydrating mask. It's not my favorite hydrating mask, but it's very affordable at Target. I think at Ulta as well. I'll link it down below. And it just makes my skin feel nice and soft and smooth and hydrated. So I'm putting that all over my face. Then it is time to get in the bath, so I'm picking a bath bomb, and nothing says Christmas like the Lush Luxury Pud Bath Bomb, so I'm picking that out, I'm plopping it in, and it's a really nice, like, multicolored bath bomb. It's mostly pink, but it's really nice and pretty, and it smells, to me, like the Twilight bath bomb. I know that's usually what it smells like. I know I got some comments saying it smells like something else this year, but it just smells nice and relaxing. Then when I get out of the bath, I am going to slather my whole body in this Sleepy body lotion from Lush. It is my favorite. I put on my PJs, and now I'm going to carry on with the rest of my skincare. I have been loving this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It smells like pure essential oils, and it just feels so good on your skin. And I've been loving it. They sent this to me. It does sting your eyes a little bit, but that's okay. Then I'm going in to brush my teeth, and this is the toothpaste I use, in case you're wondering, the Colgate Sensitive Whitening. So I'm just brushing my teeth, and then I am going to follow up with my Lush Mint Juleps Lip Scrub and this Grapefruit Lip Balm from Young Living that I've been trying out and loving. Then I'm going in with two of my faves that you see me use all the time, my Lush Grease Lightning Tea Tree Gel and my Yes to Blueberries Age Refresh Eye Firming Treatment. I use the tea tree gel as a spot treatment on my blemishes, and then I, of course, use the eye treatment as an eye treatment. It's very moisturizing, and I like to put it on the top of the lid as well. Then I'm going in with this new serum I've been trying. It's the Carez Wild Rose Spotless Serum. It has vitamin C. It smells so good, but mainly it just feels so good on my face. I'm not sure if I'm seeing any brightening results. I guess I'm not paying that much attention, but I look so forward to putting this on my skin because it smells so good, and my skin just, like, look how good it looks too. It just feels so good on the skin. It's pricey, but I've been loving it so far. I'll of course keep you updated, but I am just trying that out, but I am loving it so far. Then after the serum, I'm going to do a bit of jade rolling. I always jade roll up towards the hairline. You want to lift the face, not bring it down. It's nice to roll it across your brows to relieve any tension headaches you have. You can do it underneath the eyes. It's really great for jaw massage if you have TMJ, and I like to do it on the neck as well. And I just love jade rolling. I will link the one I like down below. Then I am going to moisturize. This is my favorite combo at the moment. This is the Clinical Care Skin Solutions Later Alligator Moisturizer. It's so expensive, I know, but I love it. And then I add in 2 drops of my Young Living frankincense oil, also expensive. I'm getting really high maintenance with my skincare. I'm gonna need to check myself. But I add 2 drops of that in my palm with the lotion, mix it all together, and then just put it on my face. And I really can't tell you enough how much frankincense has changed my skin. I am just absolutely loving it. Then I'm going in with the Kate Somerville Titan Cryogenic Tightening Gel on my neck and, like, chest area. If you saw my wedding must-have beauty products, this was one of them. It really helps tighten and firm your wrinkles, and for my wedding, I didn't want to have a wrinkly neck, so I used that. And then that is it, you guys. I am ready to go to bed, so I hope you enjoyed my winter cozy nighttime routine. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.